Morning, everybody.
We do not have time for breakfast this morning, so we're going to do something really quick with a common ingredient.
Yeah. So we're going to do pancakes. Can you guess what the ingredient's going to be?
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life.
Spinach.
We should be looking like Popeye. Anyway, very simple pancakes this morning. Got to get to work, got to get homeschooling underway.
Yep.
So we'll get this started. Let's go.
A bit denser than a pancake?
Maybe a little bit, but I don't mind that. But thank you. I don't mind that. Dan's favourite saying for this month. If we went out and I bought that, I would still be happy with that.
That's really good.
It's like it's got a bit of a banana cake sort of texture to it.
It's also, if you were having an organic pancake, that's what you would expect.